Arugula is a fast growing, cool weather leafy green. It is commonly known as rocket leaf. It is an annual plant and it is hardy in zones 3 to 11. The best part is that it is ready to harvest in less than 2 months. So if you plant the seeds today, you should be able to harvest it less than 2 months. It is frost tolerant, little bit frost tolerant, and if the weather is too hot, you can grow it in the shade. So the growing season for arugula is pretty long. Of course, it will grow slowly in winters. You can just spread the seeds in the soil and bury them about quarter-inch deep, and they will start to grow in a week. If too many seeds grow, you can thin them down when they are about 2 to 3 inches tall. And you don't have to throw them away. You can just use them in your salads. It adds that little sharpness to your salad, which I really like. It is best to start with a rich soil, and once they start to grow, always keep the soil moist so that the leaves stay healthy. And when they are ready to harvest, start from the outer leaves. So that way, new leaves will keep on growing from the middle and you can keep on harvesting from outside. If the heat is too much, then they will bolt or they will flower, and then the leaves may become bitter. But the younger the leaves, tastier they are. They are prone to many pests and diseases. And when that happens, because these leafy greens are normally just used in salad, and I don't use pesticides and I don't want pests in my salad, so I just get rid of those plants if they get any pests or diseases and start fresh. And because the harvest time is pretty quick, it is not really that big a problem. Of course, the best season to grow them is in spring or in fall, but they, as I said, they can tolerate a little bit of frost and a little bit of heat. So I hope this quick guide to growing arugula was useful to you. If you want to know the details, I have put the link in the description. You can check it out. And if you have any questions, write down in the comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.